Welcome to our amazing Science Lab! Today, we'll discover what sinks and what floats.
This is our special experiment tank.
The wooden block floats.
Yay! The rock sinks. The duck floats.
The spoon sinks.
The ball floats. The leaf floats.
Look, the apple floats.
The coin sinks. The boat floats.
The tail is colorful, the painting ready cloth. The boat floats.
The sponge floats first, then gets heavy.
Can you guess what happens next? Let's sort them together. Let's sort them together. Will it sink or float?
Yay!
Great job learning!
Science is fun.
You are amazing scientists!
See you next time for another fun experiment.